At this point last year, we were still enjoying the beaches of Barcelona. Welcome to Creative Wandering, the home of videos for dailycreatives.com, where I'm trying to answer the question how to design a lifestyle you don't need a vacation from. We covered 4 continents, 19 countries, and 35 cities. Now we are happy to be back home in Canada. Check out dailycreatives.com. 2 times per week, I will update the blog with interesting perspectives. Cooking, projects, designing a life I don't need a vacation from. Grandpa loved coming out to the coast for coho fishing, and we were able to get out on the water and leave a little bit of him out there. Okay, here we are out at the last marker, and Grandpa, what's my portion of Grandpa is in a little capers jar, Westermark, and the grocery sticker says $3.95. I think he would laugh at that. We took him out here many times for crabbing and just because he really liked to get out on the water. And I think in a different life, he would have probably lived out here. Grandpa? And a little toast of red wine.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Awesome. Couldn't have picked a better day to do what we're doing out here today. See Mount Baker way in the background, the moon, the last marker off of Nickel-Mackel, Coamus Point in the background, and the Costa Towers and White Rock. Good memories out here.
Thanks for watching Daily Creatives. It was a great time to get out on the water, unexpected. You just have to take advantage of those kind of opportunities when they present themselves. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out dailycreatives.com. See you over there.